Well, if you love today's weather, Friday's looking pretty nice too. We still have the combination of a lot of sunshine, low humidity, and not much wind, but the humidity will slowly rise on Friday and even more so by Saturday and especially Sunday. So our little mini stretch of cool, comfortable weather will be on its way out over the weekend. Sunshine returns most of tomorrow. We may see some of these wispy high clouds again like we've seen today, but that's about it for most of the afternoon. Not too many thick clouds anywhere. Warmer weekend. We'll be on a bit of a warming trend this weekend. I don't think we'll see the really hot stuff return like we saw back earlier this week where a lot of places were like 95 or 98. I think we're talking more like 80s to maybe near 90 eventually in some areas by Sunday. But right now, look at this. Good looking day. It's one of these days you just, finish up everything at work and skip out right now to enjoy the nice afternoon. 80 in Weslaco, 77 in Raymondville, and 79 in Brownsville. The warm spot isn't too hot today, 86 in Rio Grande City. The winds are pretty light too, mainly coming in from the east at about 10 miles per hour, but the wind's starting to come back in off the Gulf, which is slowly raising the humidity. But like I said, it's probably going to take a couple days to really start to feel it. So your evening planner, temperatures fall from about 80 or so through the 70s into the 60s. Should make it into the 50s later tonight in some areas, maybe not everywhere, but it was pretty cool this morning. I don't think it'll be quite as cool tonight, but still some spots will get down into the upper 50s. So satellite radar shows some high thin clouds coming through, but just not a lot going on out there. Just high thin clouds blocking out the sunshine a little bit from time to time, but still a lot of blue sky getting through and a lot of nice temperatures. So future track shows low humidity. The less humid weather sticks around tonight again with temperatures dropping down into the upper 50s and lower 60s. You may see a few patches of clouds around, mainly high clouds, but tomorrow's another day. It looks similar to today with mostly sunny skies, some high thin clouds at times, and light winds. By the time we get to Friday night, we're still dry and clear to partly cloudy. Saturday, we'll start to see the breezes increase from the southeast. Probably not windy stuff, but maybe like a good 15 to 20 mile per hour breeze at times and a few higher gusts, but a few puffy clouds around and temperatures on their way up a little bit more with highs in the mid to maybe even upper 80s in spots. By the time we get to Sunday, if you're thinking of plans to finish off the weekend here, Sunday's probably going to be at least breezy, maybe even use the word windy, with the winds kind of getting gustier at times in the afternoon. So out of Saturday and Sunday, Sunday looks to be the warmer day, but also maybe the more humid and a little windier day. So future track winds don't show much going on tomorrow, and tomorrow evening the winds stay pretty light. By Saturday, you see the colors increase a bit here. So like I mentioned, a little breezy at times, but then watch by the time we get to Sunday, you see the screen fill up more of these kind of about 20 to 25 to almost 30 mile per hour colors. So it gives you an idea that the winds will be increasing as well as we get toward the weekend coming up. So the first 7-day forecast, I hit that button early. I was going to show you something else first. Let's show you the forecast for tonight. Then we'll do the 7-day. Down to 58 late tonight, partly cloudy skies. Low humidity still remains intact and light winds. And then tomorrow looks similar to today, maybe a couple of degrees warmer and slightly more humid, but not too much different from today. So get out and enjoy tomorrow if you can. And then Saturday, in the first 7-day forecast, gets a little breezier, a little warmer, a little more humid. And then by Sunday, we're kind of back in the mugginess with, you see that low of around 70. When you see those lows around 70, that's when it's starting to get kind of sticky out there. So Sunday becomes breezy and a little bit hotter. Temperatures may be close to 90 in some areas. Monday should still be a dry day, but coming up throughout the evening, we'll be tracking the longer range forecast, which does show a front moving into Texas and may get close enough to cause maybe not tons of rain here, but at least a chance for showers and storms to pop up beginning on Tuesday. So we'll track those rain chances ahead this evening in your first 4 and 5 forecast. Letty?